is the injection.
Oh, injection molding.
Yes.
Oh, very interesting. Yes.
总共有23台。
We have a 23 machine.
23.
Injection machine.
Wow. This is. Yes. This used to be the bread and butter of Taiwanese manufacturing too, where this is basically working with plastics and rubber type materials.
Yeah.
And it's all bang. Yeah.
I can smell.
I know, so I'm just wondering, so I'm asking the question to Wendell about the social compliance or ventilation or some protection for the worker. Is that, have they asked him about that? Anyone asked him about that, you know? Oh, just wait. Ah, okay.
热的，
I see. So just come off.
还是热的。刚刚准备拿出来。
Just came out.
Just came out.
Yeah, so they've just put this comes off, that comes off. Is it?
那这是干嘛的呀？
它是变这样的，那个剪好的。
That's the final one.
变这个。
Yes, because the mold they will go in here and then fill out, and then they cut that off later. Okay, so
I see.
that comes out of the mold, and then you cut off all this part, and then you're left with this part here, only left. Oh, very good. So
就是你们像这不是有一些有毒物品吗？那工人也不戴口罩什么的吗？就每天都工作在这儿，有没有什么企业社会责任呀？
这没别的事，没什么。
The materials is okay. No.
it's okay.
这边是模具。
This is all the what you've got here. This is what we mean by tooling.
Yeah.
Tooling. So whenever you come up with a certain design for injection molding, then you need to make a particular tool, and so that tool will go in the molding machine, and then they'll inject plastic in it, and out comes the plastic will just fill up the mold. It opens up, and then you've got your mold. So, but they call this tooling, like a hammer and a spanner, but it's basically a mold. Yeah, very important. The tooling, critical.
We have a lot of models.
Actually, this is kind of like IP.
Yeah.
A very critical.
后面没有，都是模具了。
So, is this? Of course, your company owns all the tooling.
We own the tooling, but we don't have the tooling machine.
Okay. But so, for example, if I am a client and I want to build a certain design, can I say to you, your company, I want to, in your quotation to me, I will pay for the tooling separately, and I will own it.
Yes.
Can I do that?
Yes.
Can I store it here, or I can store it
You can store here.
or separately?
Yes. You can store here, and we will produce for you.
Okay.
And also, if you want, you can.
Do many customers do that?
Yes.
Okay.
This is the ODM business.
I understand, but do many customers say, I don't see the protection here. I want to have it stored separately so I can control.
No.
No customer do
No
that.
customers.
Okay.
Because what they want is just to produce the products
Done.
and then to sell to the people.
I understand, but you know what I mean, right?
Yeah, I understand.
You understand, yeah.
But this is not the most important part for them.
Right.
What they do is if my customer cooperate with me,
Yes.
that means they believe us, right?
Yes, correct.
So they will think that here is okay. Yes.
And maybe the firmware or the electronics are a
Yeah.
critical part,
Yes.
and not just the
Yeah.
mold.
Yeah, not just the mold.
Yeah.
We also help them to design the firmware.
Yeah.
And even more, some customer need to design the application. We also help them to development.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Very good. Okay. Excellent.
Okay.
后面没有。
Very good. Rendell, do you have many international customers come and visit the factory?
Yes, always have.
Okay, very
You
good.
just see one. Yeah, right?
Yeah, he was an engineer, yeah, correct.
这个是没掉色。
Did he ask us? Laser engraving. Okay.
拿一个给我。这是雕过的，这个没雕的。
Before and after.
Yes.
Oh wow.
它就是把表面4克，
就是刻一下它的那个
然后
清晰度啊什么的。
Wow, laser engraving. Look at that. Cool. So it's laser. It's doing it through a laser.
Yes.
Wow.
它这里有编好的图案的，
So you just program it
要什
and
么字
bang.
符它就编好，然后
Yes,
它
program. And then
So this is on basically an aluminum surface. This surface is aluminum, right? This is plastic.
这是塑料的吗？
这上面是电镀，
This is
有一个
plastic.
电镀层，塑料的。
Basically, it's just cutting into the
其
plastic.
实它就是用激光嘛，
那这是什么材料的呀？
塑料也还在电镀
塑。料也可以，金属也可以。
Yeah.
Cutting, yeah, very good. Interesting. Excellent. 好 Very good. Printing workshop. Oh. I see. Print on that. Okay.
这个
Yes.
它的毛的意思。
I see. Yes.
刚好那边可以用雷雕，这里就用印的方式，用的方式。
好。
雷雕用抹料。
雷雕就有一个缺点，它不能上颜色，它没有办法上颜色。这个就可以上很多种颜色，你用红色、蓝色都可以。
So the actual printing's over there. These are just drying machines.
这些
它那里印好之后，然后经过
So
烘
the
烤。
printing over there,
yes.
but just drying.
Yeah, drying, and this is like part of the quality control.
Yes.
把它烤之后就固化。
Very good.
And also this kind of printing can allow you to customize different
Easier,
colors.
faster.
Yeah, different colors, but the
Yes.
laser one can only be one color. And
Oh.
you cannot choose the color of the printing, but this one you can choose.
I see.
It's easy to move.
Oh, very interesting. Yes. Oh, watch out, yeah. Yes, got that. Yes. Very good. That just about finishes us. Wow, that's a huge factory, Wendell.
That's all.
That is fantastic. More than I expected. So when you normally when you the international buyer come, do you show them everything? Do they, or they just want to see certain part is okay?
That depends on the customer.
Yes.
Normally, we will take if the customer is first time to come here.
Yes.
We will take
Everything.
them to see everything.
Okay. No, you've got everything here. This is amazing. And 43 means what's 43?
It's a 43.
Without a major accident
End of
or
this
something.
year.
43 days.
Yes.
Really? Is it that? Just, I don't know. 43 days to Christmas. No, to end of the year. Yes. Beautiful.
It's very, very fast.
I like that. So it's a countdown.
We don't have too much time, you know.
Because especially customer order for Christmas in North America and Europe, 70% of sales happen in November, December.
Yeah.
So the orders
So the quarter four is very important
okay.
season.
Right.
But most of the customers will order in quarter three. Right? Because they order quarter three
Yeah, to get to quarter. Yes.
And then ship to.
Yeah, the lead time takes
Yes.
time.
Yes.
Okay. So how much lead time on a new product? Say, okay, for example, I want to develop my own brand car DVR, right?
Yes.
Okay, so maybe the plastic is a special design for me and everything. So how much lead time do you need for, say, for example, MOQ of 10,000? So design to production, how long?
You mean from zero?
Yes.
From ID? That would normally need 100 days.
100 days?
Yes.
Okay.
For the 100 days, you can produce.
Wow.
Yes.
100, bang. 3 months.
Yes.
Okay, very good. We go up again.
Yeah.
Oh.
Eight floors.
8th floor. Boardroom. Is good. Thursday today.
Yeah.
Welcome. Okay. Shenzhen Aoni Electronic Industry Limited. So want to thank Wendell for coming today and his quality manager for showing us around. Thank you, Wendell.
Thank you.
Very, very good.
Thank
谢谢你啊，谢
谢
谢，
谢
谢谢。你给我帮助很大，谢谢。Thank you. And that will finish us. This is the electronic company. We've had a look at some DVRs and everything else in the manufacturing, the tooling, the laboratory, the testing, the assembly line. Did we miss anything? Yeah, the SMT line. Actually, we saw everything. So amazing, and thank you for visiting our factory today. Bye for now. Okay, very good.